This one can cause a lot of stress because there's so many words. So basically, there's going to be only two answers. We always want to throw out this third one that says there is a correlation, there is probably. We always throw that one out. That does not. So there is either correlation and it may or may not be causation, or there's not correlation. This one is gone every time. Gone, 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 gone. So let's just, I'm just going to go through here and cross those ones off. So we do not want this one. We want there is no. So if it says there is a correlation and no causation, we don't want it. There is a correlation, no causation. So we don't want that one. Okay. So now we have two to choose from. So we have to listen carefully as we read the problem to see if there's correlation or if there's not correlation. There's some key words that they usually will give you in the sentence. So a phone company determined that an increase in income does not indicate. If you see that does not indicate, there's no correlation. Boom. So you just click that one. A music store conducted a survey. It showed that the number of CDs purchased by a shopper decreases with the number of songs she downloaded. So if say one is going up and the other goes down, like in this case, then there is correlation and we want to click that one. Deborah compared the statistics from her team's baseball season. Now here's this did not imply. I don't even have to read. I can see this. She determined that having fewer hits did not imply. So that's no correlation. And then we move on to the next one. So I would suggest seeing which ones you can cross out right at the beginning and just kind of make sure that you don't click any of those. So in this case, let's look at ones we can cross out. There is a correlation. No, we want that one. So it's the other, there is a correlation. There is a correlation, however, there is no causation. Nope, we want that out. There is probably also causation. No, nope. It's not probably or no, it's may or may not be. That's the one we want, may or may not be, every time. A computer manufacturer conducted a survey. It showed that a younger customer will not necessarily, boom, I don't even need to keep reading. A hospital found that a lower outside temperature indicates, okay, that's definitely going to be, there is correlation. Mr. Evans studied his students' chemistry test scores and sleeping habits. He found that students who slept less tended to, there's some more that shows it is. So if it does not or will not necessarily, that's no correlation. But if you see statements like these, tended to, indicates, and one's going down, one's going up, that's correlation. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.